Cheers, guys. This is take two because I accidentally tried to upload the last one as a short. So what I decided to do today is, since I'm doing this anyway, is go ahead and video my sharpening, and I'm just using my typical blade. I think you guys are getting the idea that my whole thing here is about recycling. And because I like wood, I love wood, I love trees, I love the whole thing about it. And so cardboard to me is that space where I think people think that the wood is not valuable, and they make it into a pulp, and then they make the cardboard. I still think the wood is great, even though it's in that condition, and that's why I like to save it and make it into other things. And another area that there is wood is in these pencil crayons, and I love that. So when I'm working with my pencils, I like to sharpen them with a blade. The old back in the day stories, guys. So what's cool is once you get it good at it, you can fix this point so that you have a sharp side, and then you have a roundy, smoothy side. And the reason I can do this, guys, with that long tip is I'm not banging and I'm not throwing them down, and I'm not breaking the inside. You don't want to do that. So I just thought I'd show you this because this is not meant to be a fast job, but you do get to appreciate the different quality of the woods that these different companies are using. And I think it's a good hand-eye coordination. So I did these pencils, and they all have different woods on them. I don't know if you can see that. How do people show you that anyways? You see my pencils? Not really. I have no idea how to show you these pencils. Maybe I'll try yellow. Hold on, guys. Maybe you can see them on. See how cool that is? Very cool. In the old back in the day stories, everybody handled a knife. I grew up where we needed a knife to cut rope, and we needed a knife to cut through brush. We did a lot of brush thinning to expand the fields, and then in the gardens we used knives to fix the plants. So where I am using it, I'm just cleaning it a little bit and then giving myself a tip that I want to work with, because I just decided I'm going to get into coloring. I did one design, kind of happy with it, but I have another design in mind. So I'm just kind of pondering that. This is a perfect thing to do when you need to ponder a question. Very zen. And I've been working with the blade a long time, so I love it. And take your time. I think it gives you appreciation of the wood that the colored pencils are made from. And I do use plastic all the time, see? But if I had my preference on things that I can make or buy, I will make it out of cardboard or wood. Real wood, not particle board. If I can't, maybe I'd buy it too. But look at how cool these look. So get your whittler thing. These are fairly inexpensive. I got the heavier duty one from Dollarama. But if you have like a, what is that called? Everybody used to have the little folding blade. I don't want this to be a lost art of working with knives, and I don't like the idea of people living in fear. Oh, keep that away from kids, it's too sharp. Well, teenagers aren't kids, and it's good to do something that isn't rushy. Do something that you can see. I'm going to get better and better and better as I go through all my colored pencils. I still have all of these to do. It's not a major thing, but it's still something that I can improve my skills on. And it's fun. I don't know why it's fun, but it is fun. And then once they're all sharpened, then I will start my drawing again. So like I said, I don't know why. Sometimes people watch the weirdest things, and maybe I do the weirdest things. So this might be one of those weird things that people would have watched. I love it. Get your blade out and make yourself a nice sharp pencil.